Inspire. He who is not courageous enough to take risks will accomplish nothing in life. If you are brave enough to say goodbye, life will reward you with a new hello. Be a voice, not an echo. Be a light in dark places. Be brave enough to live life creatively, the creative place where no one else has ever been. Your attitude, not your aptitude, will determine your altitude. An arrow can only be shot by pulling it backward. When life is dragging you back with difficulties, it means it is going to launch. It is going to launch you into something great. So just focus and keep aiming. Two roads diverged in the woods, and I took the one less traveled by, and that has made all the difference. Today's struggle is responsible for tomorrow's strength. Pain will either cause you to have breakdown or a breakthrough. Which one? It depends on you. Anything is possible if you have got enough time. A hero is someone who has given his life to something bigger than oneself. When achieving your goals is more important than parting to have a welcome to the 1% club. Do not limit yourself. Many people limit themselves to what they think they can do. How you can go as far as your limit lets you. What you believe, remember you can achieve. Every accomplishment starts with the decision to try. Accept what is, let go of what was, and have faith in what will be. Accept your past without regrets, handle your present with a confidence, and face your future without fear. Remember that when you leave this earth, you can take with you nothing that you receive, only that which you have gained or which you have given. Work while they sleep, learn while they party, save while they spend, live like they dream. Those situations build strong people. Smiling does not necessarily mean you are happy. Sometimes it just means you are strong. I am not a product of my circumstances. I am a product of my decisions. God does not give the hardest battles to his toughest soldiers. He creates the toughest soldiers through life's hardest battles. Do not let anyone, including yourself, set limits to your potential. We all die, but the goal isn't to live forever. The goal is to create something that will. Be selective in your battles, for sometimes peace is better than being right. Be strong. You never know who you are inspiring. Amen.